How to use Potpourri room freshener. It's really simple. Here I'm opening a new pack of Potpourri room freshener. Take a container or a bowl in which you can put the Potpourri room freshener. Here it's a refill bottle of essential oils. Take some Potpourri in a tray. Keep it in living room, kitchen, bathroom, office. It will look great and also smell amazing. Sprinkle essential oils after 30 days to refresh the Potpourri. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more such useful videos.